The Nissan Rogue 2014-2020 may have several options for fog lights activation. So you may have fog lights switch on this stalk, or you may have this button to activate the fog lights. But the secret is that the fog lights in this car will only work when your headlights are on. I mean, you may use the headlight switch here for headlights. Okay, turn off the headlights because I'm using the battery. So if you are in this position, in the headlights position, headlights on position, low beam, your fog lights may be working. If you are in auto position, they may be working, but only in the case if low beam is on. So if it's dark outside, the sensors understand that it's dark, the low beam will turn on, and you may activate the fog lights with this button or with the switch on the stalk, depending on what kind of switch you have. But if it's like now, it's the daytime, it's sunny, and I try to activate the fog lights in auto mode, they will not work. And that's why a lot of people say, wow, my fog lights don't work. They don't work because they are not supposed to work in these conditions. If you have the lights off like this, or just oh my god, it's just keeping telling me that I should turn off everything because my car is not started. Okay, so if you have it in any other position, just all for just daytime running lights, the fog lights will not work. They will not activate. This is how this car works.